Hi everyone, welcome to class 10 mathematics. We are studying chapter 3 elimination method, in which we have come to exercise 3.4. In the previous video we have solved question number 1 of this exercise using elimination method. Now we are solving question number 2, which is word problem, and total we have 5 word problems. So in this video we will solve the word problems. Starting with the first one. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction becomes 1. So ultimately we are dealing with fractions. Okay, and fraction contains numerator and denominator. So we have to assume the variables according to the numerator. So let x be the numerator and y be the denominator. So if we assume that x and y as numerator denominator, what shall our fraction look like? It will look like x upon y, right? Now let us see the first condition, equation number 1. If we add 1 to numerator, that means we have to add 1 upon, if we subtract 1 from denominator, that means y minus 1. The fraction reduces to 1, that means it is 1 upon 1. Now what will happen? Here we have to do the cross multiplication. Now if we do the cross multiplication, the equation will look like x plus 1 equals to y minus 1, because they are to be multiplied with 1 only, so they will remain the same. Now take the variables on one side and numbers on the other side. It will be x minus y equals to minus 1 minus 1, that means minus 2. So here is our equation number 1. Now moving on to equation number 2. Now again there is a condition that if we add 1 only to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. That means we don't have to do with anything with x. We are only adding 1 to the denominator. So now the fraction reduces to 1 by 2. Again what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication. Clear? So now the equation will look like this. 2 into x, it will be 2x, and 1 into y plus 1 will be y plus 1. Now taking the variables on one side, 2x minus y equals to 1. So here it will be our equation number 2. Now as we have successfully made two equations, let us go for the solution. So now solution will be by elimination method. Any one variable must have equal coefficient. Then and only then we can solve. So now let us write 2x minus y equals to 1 and x minus y equals to minus 2. Now what we have to do is to cancel one variable, eliminate one variable. So it is very easy. You just change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, minus will become plus. What is eliminated? Y here will be eliminated. So now what left is 2x minus x, that is x, equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. So we got the answer of x. Now putting x equals to 3 in any equation. Let us see equation number 1. So it is x minus y equals to minus 2. Put x equals to 3, that is 3 minus y equals to minus 2. Let us take this 3 on the other side. We have minus y minus 2 minus 3. So ultimately minus y equals to minus 5. Thus minus minus will be cancelled. Y will be 5. Now we have got value of x and y. So let us go for the final answer. The final answer is the fraction itself. And what is that fraction? It is x upon y. So that will be 3 upon 5. So this will be our final answer. Moving on to question 2. Now next question is, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice old as Sonu. So what we have to do? We have to find out how old are Nuri and Sonu. That means present age we have to find. So let us assume, let present age of Noori is X years, and same way present age of Sonu is Y years. Right? So what we are finding, we have assumed. Now what we will do, we will see both the cases. So the first case is 5 years ago. So starting with the first case, that is 5 years ago. Now 5 years ago, Noori's age will be X minus 5 and Sonu's age will be Y minus 5 years. Now let us see the condition. Noori was thrice old as Sonu. Here we write N, here we write S. Noori's age is X minus 5, Sonu's is Y minus 5. Noori is already thrice, right? 3 times. So what we will do, we will add thrice to Sonu, then only it will become equal. We will multiply Sonu with 3. So putting here bracket and writing 3 and then putting equals to. Right, now both the ages are same. So let us convert it into normal form. X minus 5 equals to 3y minus 15. Now 3y goes over here and minus 5 comes over here. So that becomes x minus 3y equals to minus 15 plus 5. So finally we have x minus 3y equals to minus 10 as equation number 1. Now the second case. In the second case, it is 10 years later. So 10 years later. After 10 years, Noori's age is x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be y plus 10. Now there is the comparison. Let us see what is the comparison. X plus 10, y plus 10. What is the comparison? Noori is twice old as Sonu. Here, Noori is already twice. So what we will do, we will multiply Sonu's age with 2 to make it equal. So here Sonu's age 2 I have written and then equal to sign. So then we have x plus 10 equals to 2y plus 20. Take this 2y on this side. So here we have x minus 2y equals to 20 minus 10. 10 goes over here. So our final equation is x minus 2y equals to 10, which is our equation number 2. Now let us try to solve the equations. So the solution here will be very easy, as x and x we have same coefficient. So we will put x minus 3y equals to minus 10 and x minus 2y equals to 10. The only thing which we have to do is to change the sign. So minus plus minus. So x and x are eliminated. Minus 3y plus 2y gives only y, that is minus y, and minus 10 is minus 20. So if you cancel this positive, y equals to 20, and this is nothing but years. Okay, now moving on to the last step. Put y equals to 20 in any equation. So let us see in equation number 2. So equation 2 was x minus 2y equals to 10. We put y as 20. So 2 into 20 equals to 10. So here we have x minus 40 equals to 10. So x equals to 10 plus 40. And what is 10 plus 40? X equals to 50 years. So you see, we have got both the ages. Age of x, that is Noori. Noori's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. Now third question is, sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. So we have a 2-digit number just like this. I'm making a box. This is units digit and this is tens digit, right? So we have a 2-digit number whose addition of digits is 9. So that makes our first equation. We'll go to that later on. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. Now, it is very important for you to understand that let us take a 2-digit number 35. So 35, in which 5 is at the units digit and 3 is at the tens digit. So we can represent 35 as in tens digit, whatever the number is, we are multiplying it with 10. And the units, we are multiplying it with 1. So it can be represented as 30 plus 5. Same way, if we represent the units digit as x and tens digit as y, how we can represent the original number? That will be 10y plus x. Now if we interchange it, it will become the different one. So let us see that in the second condition. First of all, the first equation will be very easy. That means sum of digits. So it will be x plus y equals to 9. This is nothing but equation number 1, the sum of digits. Going for the second one, 9 times this number, that means 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. So if we reverse the digit, x comes over here and y comes over here. So reversed will be 10x plus y. And you see the comparison, the original number, we are writing like this, original number, and here it is reversed number. So original number is already twice. So what to do? To make it equal, we will multiply 2 with this number. So now it is clear. 9 times this number is twice the reverse number. So twice we have given over here to make it equal. Now let us convert it into simple form. 9 tens are 90 plus 9x equals to 2 tens are 20x plus 2y. Taking everything on the same side. Here it will be 9x minus 20x, 90y minus 2y equals to, here there is nothing, so 0. 9 minus 20x, so that is minus 11x plus 90 minus 2, that is 88y equals to 0. Now if we divide the equation by 11, we may get minus x plus 8y equals to 0. Now see, the reverse number, for help I am writing xy as reverse number. Then here dividing by 11. Clear? So now here we got our second equation. Now let us go for the solution. Solution by elimination. So we have minus x plus 8y equals to 0. Then x plus y equals to 9. And that means we don't have to change the sign even. This is just eliminated. So adding 8y plus y, 9y equals to 0 plus 9, 9. Y equals to 9 by 9. That will be 1. That means y equals to 1. Putting y equals to 1 in equation number 1. That means x plus y equals to 9. X we are finding, y we have put 1, here it is 9. So let 1 come over here. So x equals to 9 minus 1, x equals to 8. So we got value of y and x. But what was our original number? Our original number, the original 2-digit number was like this, yx. Putting the value, it will be 1, 8. So that means the original number is 18. Clear? In the fourth question, Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. So the overall total value of the notes was 2000. She got 25 notes in total. So this is our second hint. The number of notes is 25. Now that contains 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees note, and we have to find out the number of those notes, right? Now whenever this kind of questions are coming, we have to remember the shortcut that two equations will be there. One will be for number of notes and second will be related to the value of notes. Clear? So now let us assume that the number of rupees 50 notes is X, right? And let the number of rupees 100 notes be Y, right? So we are finding X and Y. Now let us start with the first case. That is, how many notes? Number of notes. Total notes is 25. That will contain X and Y number of notes. So first equation will be total number of notes, that is 25. That means X plus Y equals to 25. This is our equation number 1. Moving on to equation 2, value of all the notes is rupees 2000. Now the value of X notes will be in terms of 50. That means if one note is there, it will be 50. If two notes is there, 50 into 2. So if X notes are there, 50 into X. Same way, 100 into Y, and that will give you the total 2000. Now this is our equation number 2. But to make it easier, we have to take 50 common or divide with 50. So taking 50 common on both sides and dividing, this will give you X plus 2Y equals to 40. So this will be our equation number 2. Now let us try to solve this. Here we have X plus Y 25, X plus 2Y. So here you see X and X are same. So solving by the method of elimination, it will be X plus 2Y equals to 40, X plus Y equals to 25. Changing the sign will eliminate the X. 2Y minus Y will be only Y. 40 minus 25 is 15. So Y comes out to be 15. Now let us put Y equals to 15 in equation number 1. So what it will be? So X plus Y equals to 25, X plus 15 equals to 25. So X equals to 25 minus 15. So X equals to 10. Right? Now X is nothing but the number of notes. So number of rupees 50 notes is 10. So that will give you 50 into 10, 500. And number of rupees 100 notes, that is 15. So 100 into 15, that is 1500. So now you verify, is the addition giving you value of 2000? Yes. So this is our correct answer. Now here we have a question number 5, that is library charges, which include fixed charge plus charge per day. But fixed charge is for first 3 days, right? So for first 3 days there will be fixed charge. Then if there is any 1 day even extra, that means we have to give charge per day. So two cases, Sarita and Sushi. Sarita paid 27 for a book for 7 days. That means 3 days fixed and then extra how many days? 4 days. Sushi paid 21 rupees for a book for 5 days. That means 3 days fixed charge and then extra how many days? 2 days she kept. Right? So let us suppose that fixed charge be rupees X for first 3 days. Here we have to mention that for first 3 days. And the fixed charge is 3 days rupees X. Then charge per day is rupees Y. Now let us start with the first case, that is of Sarita. Here she kept the book for 7 days. So for first 3 days, then for next 4 days. So for first 3 days she is paying X, for next 4 days she is paying Y per day. That means 4Y. And what is the total amount she is paying? 27. So that becomes our equation 1. Same way equation number 2, that is for Sushi. She kept the book for 5 days. That means 3 days fixed charge and then extra 2 days. Okay. So that is X plus 2Y and she paid 21 rupees. That will give total 2. Now let us solve these two equations by the method of elimination. So here X plus 4Y equals to 27 I am writing. Below that X plus 2Y equals to 21 I am writing. And then what we have to do is to change the sign. So X will be eliminated. Plus 4Y minus 2Y gives you 2Y. 27 minus 21 gives you 6. So finding the value of Y, 6 by 2 is 3. So Y comes out to be 3. Don't forget it is 3 rupees. Putting the value of Y, put Y equals to 3 in equation 2. Any equation you can choose, but this one is easy. So equation 2 is X plus 2Y equals to 21. Put the value of Y. So X plus 2 3s are 6. 21. 6 comes over here. So X equals to 21 minus 6. So X equals to 15. Don't forget this is also in rupees. So what is the final answer that we got? That the fixed charge for first 3 days, which was X rupees, is 15, and then charge per day, which was Y rupees, it comes out to be 3. So that is our answer, and we have finished exercise 3.4.